No hot water? That's more than just an inconvenience. It's a problem that needs fast, affordable attention. If you're wondering about the water heater repair cost in Salt Lake City, you're not alone. And we're here to help. Our expert team specializes in diagnosing and repairing all types of water heater issues with clear pricing and no hidden fees. We make sure you know the water heater repair cost in Salt Lake City up front so you can make the right decision without any pressure. Of course, water heaters aren't the only emergencies we handle. From leaks to floods, we provide full-service emergency plumbing in Salt Lake City, available 24/7 to protect your home and your peace of mind. Need help fast? Our experienced emergency plumbers in Salt Lake City are ready to respond day or night, delivering efficient repairs when every minute counts. If you're also facing structural damage, we can assess and explain the broken water pipe repair costs in Salt Lake City, helping you avoid further issues and expensive water damage. And when you're concerned about the overall emergency plumber cost in Salt Lake City, we keep things transparent and competitive because you deserve quality work without financial surprises. For trusted solutions, honest pricing, and emergency response you can count on, turn to the professionals who understand what matters most. Your answer to fast service and accurate water heater repair costs in Salt Lake City is just a call away. Don't wait to fix your hot water. Get a clear estimate today. Call 385-300-1099 or visit emergencyplumbingsaltlakeCity.com.